Yesterday,
Yeah, a very good evening to one and all. Hope you are able to hear me. So please use the chat box for the communication. Hope you are able to hear me and able to see my screen. Yes. Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah. So like whoever like has in the join for the newly today, so you can go through this the backup videos. Okay, you can go through the backup videos, guys. Okay, you can go through the backup videos related to the basics of and the Oracle database and the course content of our Oracle the training program as well. Okay, and as part of our yesterday's discussion, okay, as part of our yesterday's discussion, sir. Okay, we completed the installation process of the Oracle database in our local missions. As I already told you, so we could not install like as in the later. We can install the latest version of the database Oracle database software in our mission. But the problem with that installing the new version of the database means what? So it is taking like as in the more space in our hard drive that will leads to system performance good to be the down. Okay, that is the reason I just recommend you to install I just recommend you to install like as in the Oracle 11G Express Edition, sir. Okay, Oracle 11G Express Edition. As I already share you that link, okay, where you guys need to download that Oracle database software as well. Okay, okay, where you need to download the Oracle database software as well, guys. I given you that the link here. Try to get that the database software from that URL itself. Understand? Okay. So once you get that folder, once you get like as in the folder from once you get like as in the zip folder, okay, sir, as I told you, so you can use any version of Oracle that is up to your wish. Okay. So you can work with an Oracle database with any version, no problem at all. Okay. So it we doesn't bothers about any versions of it doesn't bothers about like version of and the Oracle. Ultimately, our target is what? Working with the Oracle database. That might be an any version, sir. Okay, no problem. You can work it or you can work with any version of Oracle database, guys. Guys, I will answer your questions definitely. So whoever like isn't facing some issues after installing the Oracle, I'm going to answer those all questions in the today's session. Don't worry. So just give me some time during of our session. We'll cover all those points. Okay. Yes. Notes link also I'm going to share you with that. Okay. Yes. Fine, sir. Okay, sir. So first you need to download the zip file from this the given URL, sir. After downloading that one, after completion of the downloading, you need to extract like as in the zip file, guys, into the normal folder. So by using what? Either WinZip software or 7-zip software in your desktop, in your mission, guys. Okay, you just need to what? Extracting like as an zip file into the normal folder, sir. After after extracting guys, you just need to open that extracted folder and find the executable file, sir. And find like as an executable file and complete the installation process of an Oracle, just like as in the normal software installation case. Okay, just click on the next until unless you will get the finish button, sir. But so during that installation process, you just need to remember. So whatever the password you are going to provide, so for the DBA account, that password you just need to remember, sir. That's what I told you. Okay, you just need to complete the installation process by double clicking on the next and next until unless you will get the finish button, sir. It's just like as in the normal software installation in our normal software installation process in our mission. Okay, during the Oracle database installation, so we need to remember that the password, whatever the given. Okay, whatever that whatever that the given, sir, during that during that password, so during the installation process, whatever the password you have given, so just remember that password, guys. That password will help you to log with what? Sys account or system account. Sys account or system account, both are nothing but an DBA account. DBA stands for database administrator accounts, sir. Okay, the person who manages the database software. Okay, the person who manages like as in the database software in a company, that person we can call it as an what? DBA person, or we can say what? Database administrator, sir. Okay, the person who will manages the database activities in a company or a project, so that person we can call it as an what? Database administrator or DBA person, sir. Understand? Okay, yes. After completing that installation, sir, okay, you will be the getting, after completion of the installation, you will be the getting one icon onto our desktop or not, sir? Come on, guys. After completing that installation, you will be the getting like as in the one icon onto your desktop or not. So that is nothing but an what? Getting started with the Oracle database of Oracle 11G Express Edition. This is what like as in the one icon you will be the getting onto your desktop, guys. Right or not? Okay, so there is an importance of this icon, guys. There is some importance of this icon. I will talk about this. The importance of this icon in the few minutes. Okay, and also yesterday I shown you how to interact with the Oracle database as well. Okay, just go to the start menu and search for an what? SQL, sir. Okay, search for an the what? SQL, and there is a option called you need to find an option called what? Run SQL command line interface. Okay, this is what like as in the command line interface, sir. Okay, and what is this editor, sir? That is a SQL star plus editor. Okay, to interact with the Oracle database, guys, there is the one command line interface will be there, which comes along with our Oracle database software installation. That is called SQL star plus. SQL is for what? Communicating from communicate communicating with the database, case. SQL is in the language which helps us to communicate with what? RDBMS database software case. SQL star plus is what? It is a client tool which interacts with an Oracle database. Understand, guys? SQL star plus is what? It is a client tool or a CLI tool. Okay, client tool or CLI tool which helps us to communicate with what? Oracle database. Understand, guys? SQL is for what? Communicating with any RDBMS database software case. That is what the purpose of an SQL. SQL star plus is what? It is a tool or it is a client, it is a tool or the CLI tool, command line interface tool, which helps to communicate with what? Oracle database. Understand? Yes. So we got like as in the SQL command line here. So how can you connect with the database? What would be the command you need to use to connect with another database case? What would be the command we need to use like as in the database? So connect word. Okay, connect word, and then followed by what? What is our default DBA username? DBA username during the installation process, we have some two usernames, right? Sys or system. Okay, those are nothing but the DBA names, sir. Okay, system, sir. Okay, and I am just given like as in the password as a manager. So during the installation process, I given like as in a password for the system account or sys account as what? Manager, sir. Then I am able to connect it to the database. How can you show? How can you verify? So what would be the logged user in our database? That is nothing but an what? Show user, sir. Show user. Show user. So this is what the user currently you have logged into the Oracle database with what user, sir? System user, sir. Okay, sir. Then fine, sir. Okay. Then how can you view the how can you list all the users in the database? How can you list all the users in the database? Select a star from all underscore users, sir. These are the users comes along with an Oracle database case. Okay, so what is our users, sir? We have system account and sys account, sir. These are the two users which comes along with your Oracle database, sir, along with some other users as well. Okay, this is what this is what how you can how can you view, how can you list the all users of your Oracle database case? Select a star from what? Select star from all underscore users table, sir. Select star from what? All underscore users table. Guys, please disable the video. Okay. Please turn off the videos, guys. Okay. Yeah, try to double check whether you are in the video mode or non-video mode. Okay. If it is in the video mode, just disable that one. Okay. Yes. Okay then. So total 16 users are there in our mission. Okay, total 16 users we got along with the Oracle database software. So those are these two are nothing but what DBA users, sir. Understand, guys? Understand? Understand? Yes. This is the way to interact with this is the one way to interact with Oracle database, guys. Right or not? Right or not, guys? Right or not? This is the one way of interacting with Oracle database by using what tool, sir? CLI tool. CLI tool name is what? SQL Star Plus. SQL Star Plus, guys. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you like as another way to interact with the Oracle database as well, sir. Okay. I'm going to show you in another way to interact with an Oracle database. Understand, guys? Whatever the things we have done here. So this is using what? SQL Star Plus using CLI tool. Okay, this is command line interface case. At a time, you can pass only one command to the database. This is what SQL statement or SQL query, sir. SQL statement or what? Query. Okay, we can say it as an what? Query, sir. Okay, so just now we completed the installation process and we are interacted with an Oracle database using what tool, sir? CLI tool of what? SQL Star Plus. Okay, yeah, I'm going to show you in another way to interact with the Oracle database case. Okay, so as you guys are already know that one. So when you're done with the installation process of an Oracle 11G Express Edition, okay, 11G Express Edition, you got like one icon onto your desktop. Okay, so this is nothing but an what? Web page, sir. This is nothing but an what? Web page. Okay, using this web page, we can interact with another Oracle database as well, sir. Okay, using that web page, we can interact with the Oracle data. Using the web page, we can interact with the Oracle database as well. Okay, just double click on this an icon, sir. Okay, double click on this an icon, you will get this kind of an error, sir. Okay, you will get this kind of an error. Okay, so you need to modify something in the URL, sir. I will show you. So when you double click on this icon here, you will get this problem here, sir. You will get this problem. How can you solve this problem, sir? Let me show you that solution. Okay, just right click on this one, sir. Just right click on this one, go to the properties. Okay, open file location. Okay, open that file location. Just getting started, right? Just go to the properties. See here, sir. You just need to change like as in the port number. So just you need to change like as in what? The port number, sir. Okay. So how I get into this window, sir? Observe carefully. Observe carefully. Just right click on this an icon. Go to the properties, or we can say what? Go to the open file location. Okay. Yeah, use this option, sir. Just right click on this an icon, go to the open file location, sir. Okay, just get into that one. And just started. Get started is there. Okay, right click on that and go to the properties, and you need to change this one, sir. Whatever the portion I have selected here, okay, whatever the portion I have selected here, sir, that portion we need to modify, sir. Okay, if you remember correctly, on yesterday's session, I just given you one important note just for your information, right or not? So in that information, where your Oracle HTTP listener is there, sir? Can you guys please confirm? Whatever the port number we got here as an 8080, okay, that you need to provide here, sir. Understand, guys? So that you need to supply here. Understand? So just double click on 8080, sir. That's all. Click on apply button and close button. Hope you guys are comfortable or not. Hope you guys are comfortable or not, sir. Okay. So just right click on this one, open the file location, just select that get started the page. Okay. Select like as in get started page, guys. Okay, just right click on that property here and you need to change that one as an what? 8080. 8080. Whatever the number you got on yesterday here, that same number you have to substitute, sir. That same number you have to substitute here. That's all. Nothing more than that. Click on apply and OK button, sir. Okay. Yes. So come on, guys. So interacting with the database, interacting with Oracle database. Okay, number one. So approach one, sir. Approach one is what? Approach one. Using what? Command line interface. Okay, using what? Command line interface, sir. Shortly, we can call it as an what? CLI interface. Okay, so using like as in the command line interface of what? Oracle database. What is the command line interface of an Oracle database? That is nothing but an SQL star plus. Okay, SQL star plus, sir. SQL star plus. This is what like as in the command line interface for what? So to interact with an Oracle database. Okay, so just go for the start menu. Okay, just go for the what? Start menu, guys, and then followed by what? Search the word called what? SQL. Okay, and then find an option called what? Run SQL command line. Okay, run SQL command line, and then select that option, sir. Select that option here. Okay, select that option. Will open the SQL prompt. Open the SQL prompt, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. SQL prompt. So by default, it is pointing to what? SQL, sir. SQL. So what you need to do? Connect word, sir. Okay. So immediately it will ask you what? Username, sir. Immediately it will ask you what? Username as in system. Okay. Then enter password. It will ask you what? After providing the system username, it will ask you what? Enter password, sir. What is that password? So that is the manager, sir. You need to provide whatever the installation, during the installation, whatever the password you have provided, sir, that password you have to supply here. And these characters are not visible to you. Just you have to supply. That's all. And then you will get what? Output as what? Connected, sir. Connected. Then after that, if you wanted to view the car, you just wanted to verify which user you have logged in your database. That is nothing but what? Show user, sir. Show user. Show user. Will getting as an what? System, sir. System as what? Output. Output as what? You are getting like as in the what? Currently logged user account. That is what? System, sir. Okay, then fine, sir. Okay. So then what is the next command we executed, sir? What is the next command we executed? So just select a star from all underscore users, sir. Select a star from all underscores users. So to get all the users, information, okay, from the Oracle database. Okay, that's all. You will be getting some sort of an information, sir. Okay, you will get what? The user's information. This is how okay, this is nothing but what? User's information, sir. User's information. Okay, yeah. If you want to clear the screen, if you want like as in the clear the screen in SQL prompt, what is that command? CLR SCR. That is nothing but clearing the screen. Clearing like as in the screen, sir. Clearing like as in the screen. Okay. If I wanted to exit from the prompt, then I can type as in what? Exit. So nothing but on what? Exiting the SQL prompt, sir. Exiting the what? SQL prompt. This is what like as in the first approach, sir. This is what like as in the first approach to interact with the database. Understand? This is the first approach to interacting with the Oracle database case. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. We'll see with what? Another approach, sir. We'll see with what? Another approach to interact with the database case. Another approach. So what is the approach to? What is the approach to, sir? Approach to by using a by using like as in the web page, sir. Okay. By using a Oracle web page. By using what? Oracle web page, we can interact with what? Oracle database. Okay. Yes. And during the installation of what? Oracle 11G Express Edition. Okay, 11G Express Edition. We got one web page onto our desktop. One web page into our desktop, sir. Okay, in our mission desktop. Okay, into our mission as a desktop, sir. What is that page, sir? Can you guys please help me? What is that the page? That is nothing but this is the page, sir. Just right click, rename it, copy the name. That's all. This is the name, sir. Okay, this is the page we got on the desktop. Understand, sir? When you open that page by default, when you open that page, guys, okay, when we open the following page, okay, by default, it will give you an error. Okay, by default, it will give you an error, sir. It will give you an error. It will give you an error because need to configure the Oracle port number, Oracle port listener number. Okay, Oracle port listener number. Okay, Oracle port listener number, sir, for this web page. Okay, for this web page. What is our Oracle port listener number? What is the default Oracle port listener number, sir? That is 8080, sir. Okay, 8080 is nothing but on what? The default Oracle port listener number, sir. That is 8080. Understand, guys? Then after that, okay, so adding the Oracle listener, okay, adding like as in the lot Oracle listener port number, okay, port number to the above web page. Okay, how can you do that one, sir? How can you do that one? How can you add the Oracle listener port number to the above web page? Come on, guys. Just right click on the page, right click on the web page, and choose an option called what? Choose an option called what? Open file location. Okay, open file location, and then what? And then what? Select like as in the get started page. Select like as in what? Get started page. Okay, and right click on that page. Okay. Right click on that page. Okay, right click on this page. Okay, right click on the page. Okay, right click on the page, and then and select and then right click on the page. What we need to do, guys, next, select the option called what? Properties option. Select like as an option called what? Properties option, and change the URL as below. Change the URL as below, sir. Okay. Yes. How can you change that one? Let me show you, sir. Okay, go to this one, just file location, get started page, go to the properties, and this is what the URL you need to copy, sir. Okay, Earlier, earlier we have in this way. Okay, earlier we have in this way, sir. Okay, percentage. Okay, HTTP port, sir. HTTP port. Now we changed to what? This is an existing URL, sir. This is an existing URL. Okay, this is nothing but an what? Existing URL, sir. Okay, then changed URL, sir. Now how can you change that changed URL? Okay, what would be the changed URL, sir? Okay, what would be the changed URL? So this is nothing but an what? This one. Just change this one. So just substitute in place of this percentage HTTP port percentage, just you need to change what? Port number, sir. By default, Oracle port HTTP listener number is what? 8080, sir. Okay. After doing, after modifying this so the next step is what, sir? After doing the above change, okay, above URL change, just and now just try to open the same page, sir. Try to open that same page. Understand, guys? Just try to with that. Okay. So see here, I'm just trying to open that one, sir. Sir, everyone is clear? Everyone is clear? Yes, sir. If someone yes, sir. Some of them are getting like as an what? Some of them are getting that page automatically, sir. If that is the case, that will be no issue, sir. Some of them are will face this kind of an issue. That is what the solution I shown you that one, sir. Okay, that is what the solution I shown you that one. Just I'm just clicking on it the page, sir. Okay, I'm just clicking on that page. Don't worry, sir. I will show you all the things. No problem. Okay, yeah, this is what the page, sir. If you observe carefully, so this is what like as in the web page you will get here. Okay, yes. So this is what like as in the web page, sir. Oracle Database Express edition of 11.2, sir. Okay, just click on the application of expression. Just what option you need to select, sir? Application expression, sir. Express. Okay, application express. You just need to provide your username and password. Okay, so my DBA username is what? System and manager, sir. Okay, system and manager, and click on the login button. Okay, fine, sir. Okay, yes. Okay, see, sir, now I am able to log into the web page or not? Now I am able to log into the web page or not, guys? Okay, now I am able to log into that web page or not? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So the thing here is, if you wanted to create like as on the new user account, you can create your own user account, sir. So typically in a project development, we will be having only the one database administrator. That database administrator will manage like as in the several users related database activities, sir. Okay. So in a project development, sir, definitely we will be having like as on the lot of database developers for writing like as in sort of SQL queries, stored procedures and stored functions, sir. Okay, you need to have like as on the separate account for the each developer. Okay, so definitely you need to have like as in the own space for each developer, sir. Okay, yes, you can create a new database user, sir. If you wanted to create like as in the new database user means you can just select that an option called what? Create a new. If you do not want use like as an existing database means you can go with what? Use existing database. Okay, I would like to create I would like to create what? I would like to create what, sir? New database user, sir. Okay, I would like to create what? The new database user. System is what? DBA user. Okay, we could not use the DBA user, sir. We could not use like as in the DBA user always. we should need to create of our own user account. Okay, we should need to create of our what own user account, sir. Okay, you can create what new user account, sir. Understand, guys? Okay, yes, I'm going to create with my user, sir. I'm going to create with my user what Mahesh. Mahesh is my user database username, and workspace name is what application express name. Application express username is also what Mahesh, sir. Okay, and the password is what Ashok IT. Okay, and the password I'm giving as an what Ashok IT, sir. That's all. That's all. So what I given, sir, I'm just creating a new database user, sir. Okay, I'm just creating like as in the new database user for because of what a storing of my database objects such as tables, views, sequences. Okay, stored procs, stored procedures. So to save all my to save all our workspace related activities. So we'll be the maintaining a new database user with the name called what Mahesh username, and the password is what Ashok IT. Okay, I'm just creating a new workspace here. Okay, yes. Save it. Okay, yes. Yes, see here, guys. Okay, successfully the created like as in the workspace with the name called what Mahesh. Begin to click here to login, sir. To begin, click here to login. Just click here, sir. Okay, just click here, and workspace name is Mahesh, and the username is what Mahesh, and the password is automatically populated with what Ashok IT. Okay, just click on the login button. Okay, just click on the login button, sir. Oh God, we got like as an we got some user interface or not? We got like as in the user interface or not, guys? We got some user interface or not? So application builder is the one menu you have, and SQL workshop is a one menu you have. Team development and administration, the administration activities, all this stuff you need to do here. Okay, so through the web page, we are performing some activities on the database or not. If I want to write some sort of SQL statements using some web page, so I can go with what SQL workshop, sir. Okay, I can go with what SQL workshop option, and where you can so where where you can what SQL command line, SQL commands. Okay, yes, observe carefully, sir. So whatever the text area I am dragging right now, this is what like as in the space you can write your SQL statements. Understand, guys? This is what your the space you can write what SQL statement. Show user. Okay, just run it. Just run it. Oh, just show user. Okay. Yeah, why it is giving as an invalid statement? Okay. Yeah, just a minute. Okay, select star from all underscore users. Okay, select star from all underscore users, sir. Okay, just run it. So see here, sir, we got like as in the statements or not, all users information or not. So whatever the query I have written here, okay, whatever the query I have written here, that query space, we can call it as an workspace, sir. And the results of the query will be displayed here, sir. Okay, by default it is displaying only the 10 results on the page. If you want to display like more than 50 results on the page, means you can select it. It's up to your wish. It's up to your wish. By default it is selecting only 10 rows of the information on the screen. If you want like more than that information, you can select that number, sir. That's all. Okay, this is what like one command. Okay, and I'm going to write like as an another command called select sysdate. Okay, select like as an what sysdate. Okay, sysdate from what dual, sir. Okay, I'm just selecting like current data from the Oracle database. Okay, I'm just selecting what current date of the Oracle database case. It's 18/11/2022. That is what the current date, sir. Sys date means nothing but an current date. This is what a dummy table, zero table, dummy table in the Oracle. Okay, select sys date from dual. Dual. This is what one SQL statement which helps you, which helps you to get like what current date of the Oracle system. Current data of our Oracle system, sir. This is how we are writing like as on the SQLs, okay, using like as on the web page. Is that clear, guys, everyone? No problem, sir. That is nothing but an show user right. That is saying that it is properly in command. Okay. Not sure why it is not working here. Okay. Show users, sir. Show user right. Okay. Show user 1 minute. Okay. Just try to select that one and run it. It is saying that invalid SQL statement. Why? Because of it is our user account, right? So our user account, it has to be the display basically. Okay. We'll see that one later. No problem. Okay, as of now, you are good or not? So how to interact with the, how to interact? Yes, sir, semicolon is mandatory, sir. Semicolon, Amit Kumar, semicolon is mandatory for every SQL statement. Okay, every SQL statement, like every SQL statement mandatory to have like as an at the end of the semicolon, sir. Okay, yes. Yes. Okay, then fine, sir. This is how you can interact with the Oracle database using what web page, sir? Sir, how can you get into that web page? So go to the SQL workshop. There is an the option called what? SQL commands. Just click on that one and you can write your SQL statements. You can write your SQL statements under this workspace and you can see that the things, the results here, sir. That is what how we are going to write the SQLs using web page, sir. If you get into that web, if it is get into that, the application builders, database applications. 1 minute. Okay, sorry. If you get into the SQL workshop only, there is an object browsers are there. Okay. Yes, there are the object browsers are there, sir. Okay. If you guys observe carefully, so if you guys observe carefully, sir, this is what like as in the tables, sir. Okay, these are nothing but on the database objects. These are nothing but on the database objects, sir. Tables is one object, views is another object. Okay, indexes are another object, sequences are another object, types are nothing but another object, packages, stored procedures, stored functions, okay, triggers, database links. All these are nothing but on the several database objects, sir. All are nothing but on what? Several database procedures, sir. Understand? So see here, if you get into the SQL workshop, there is an option called what? Object browser. Just click on that object browser, sir. Okay, there is on the drop down on the left hand side area. So here you can have the lot of options. These options will be considering as an what? Oracle database objects, sir. Okay, Oracle database objects. Tables is one database object. Views are nothing but another database object. Indexes, sequences, types, okay, packages, procedures, stored functions and stored procedures, triggers, database links, materialized views, synonyms. All these are nothing but on the database objects, sir. Okay, you can see what are the predefined tables are there in our user, sir, in our Mahesh user. Understand? So see here, guys, employee table is there. Just click on it. Okay, click on it. So just click on it, sir. So just wanted to see the data, right? So this is what the table of columns: employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, department number. This is what like as in the predefined table which we got from Oracle 11G Express Edition, sir. Just click on the data. Just click on the data. So this is what the data we have. Understand? There are the 14 employees are there in the EMP table. Okay. If you click on the DPT table, okay, if you click on the DPT table, you have the department's information. Okay, you have the department's information. Like that, they given some dummy, they define like they given like as an some predefined tables with the dummy data, sir. Understand? So states, products information, own orders, items, orders, okay, customers, all these things, sir. All these things are there. Understand? These are the tables which comes along with your Oracle database software, sir. That's all. Okay, sir. After getting into that, after getting into this web page, you just need to focus on what? SQL workshop menu. Under that, there are the two options you need to concentrate: SQL commands and object browser. Okay, SQL commands and object browsers. SQL commands is for what? SQL commands is for what? Writing the some SQL statements. Okay, object browser option is for what? just viewing the database information such as tables information. See here, tables information. You can create you can create like as in the table from here. You can create a view from here. You can create an index from here. You can create a sequence from here. Okay, you can create sequence from here. You can create like as in the type from here, packages, procedures, functions, everything you can create from the web page itself. Understand? Everything we can create from the web page itself, sir. Understand, sir? That kind of a flexibility will be there in the web page, sir. That is what the second approach, sir. Okay. Yes. Yes, in the second approach, we are interacting with the database by using what? A web page. Okay, after doing the above URL change, you can try to open that page. Okay, you can try to open the page. Will be the getting what? Will be getting some home page, sir. Some home page. In that home page, what option you need to select? Select an option. In that home page, will get like as an some home page. In that home page, you need to select an option called what? Application expression. Application express. Select an option called what? Application express. That is what the option you need to select. Once you click on it, select an option called what? Application express. Okay, then you will be the getting what? Will be getting another screen, sir. Will be the getting another screen in front of you. What is that one, sir? What is that one? So you need to create like as an create a database user. Okay, so database user, sir. Database user. You need to select an option for what? Create new user, sir. Okay, you need to select an option for what? Select an option for what? Create a new user. Select this option. Okay, select this one option. So then what you need to do, guys? It is asking us what? Username, sir. Username, sir. What is the username you have to supply? So in my case, I have supplied as in what? Mahesh. Okay, as Mahesh, sir. And the third option is what? Application workspace, sir. Application express workspace. Okay, so application express workspace, sir. Okay, that is what the third option, sir. Third option. For that, the third option also, I just supplied the same name, sir, as Mahesh. Okay, and then followed by and then the next one it is asking as an what? Password, sir. And then password. So what is the password for that? Ashok IT I given. Okay, invisible characters. Invisible characters for you guys. Okay, yes. Okay, then what is the next one, sir? Confirm password. Okay, then confirm password. Okay, confirm password also what? Ashok IT I given, sir. Okay, the same, sir. Same. Okay, same thing. Okay, Ashok IT. Ashok IT. Okay, yeah. So then after that, what you need to guys, what you need to do after supplying this all inputs on the screen, okay, we need to create we need to click on what? We need to create on what? We need to click on what? Create create workspace. Okay, what button you need to select, sir? Create like as in the we need to click on the button. Okay, we need to click on the button what? Create workspace, sir. Okay, then after clicking on it, after clicking on it, we'll get what? We'll get a success message. Success message. Workspace got created, sir. Workspace got created. That is what the message we got. Understand? Hope you are following with me. Sir, I'm clearly mentioning the steps, sir. I'm just clearly mentioning the steps. Sir, my screen is not at paused. I shared like as an entire screen. Okay, let me show you that one as well one more time. Okay, hope you guys are in line with me so far. The inputs, whatever I had done here. Okay, after that one, after getting that the success message, sir, after that we need to log in. We need to log in. We need to log in with the with new credentials. With new credentials, what? With new credentials of what? We need to log in with new credentials of an newly created workspace, sir. Newly created workspace. Okay, what is that username, sir? Okay, workspace name. What is the workspace? I will tell you, sir. Workspace name. That is nothing but the Mahesh, sir. Hope you are able to see my screen, everyone. Yeah, fine, sir. Okay, workspace name is what? Username Mahesh, sir. And then username as in what? Mahesh only. Okay, username also what? Mahesh. And then password is what? Password is what? Ashok IT. That's all. Okay, and then password is what? Ashok IT. And then click on what? Click on login button. Click on what? Login button, sir. Okay, yes, that is what the third steps are here. Okay, then after login, we need to select the menu called what? Menu called what? What is the menu we need to select, sir? SQL workshop. Okay, SQL workshop. Okay, SQL workshop menu, sir. Okay, after login, okay, we need to select like as in the menu with the name called what? SQL workshop, sir. In that SQL workshop, mainly we need to focus on what? Two options, sir. Okay, mainly we need to focus on what? One is SQL commands. Okay, so one is what? SQL commands, where we can write here we can write the here we can write the required SQL commands, sir. Required SQL commands to test with the Oracle database. Okay, Oracle database case. That's all. Okay, the second one is what? Second one, object browser, sir. Okay, so object browser. Okay, object browser. We can see the Oracle database objects information, sir. Okay, objects information. What are the Oracle database objects information? Such as a table, views, sequences. Okay, sequences. Okay, stored procs, SPs, stored procs, SF, stored functions. Okay, etc. Okay, using this option. Okay, using this option, sir. Using this option, we can create any database object using what? Graphical objects, sir. Using what? Graphical objects. Simply you can create a table from the GUI interface, GUI objects. You can create a view using the graphical objects. This is what the things we have done so far. Okay, hope you guys are clear. Yes, sir. We cannot write like two commands at a time. As I already told you, a structured query language, which always need to execute only one command at a time. If you want to execute more than two commands, means definitely we need to go for what? PL SQL, procedural language using SQL. Understand? Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. If you want to show me again, I will show you that one. No problem. Okay. I'm just logging out here. Okay, I'm just logging out here, sir. Whatever the page we got on the desktop. Okay, guys, please concentrate here for 2 minutes. Okay, please concentrate here for the 2 minutes. Okay, I already cleared like as in the mentioned the steps in the notepad itself. try to observe the navigations, what I am doing here. Initially, when you open this page, you will get an error. Okay, you will get an error, sir. How can you solve that an error? Just right click on this file. Okay, open the file location. Okay, open the file location. It will automatically get into this browser. Okay, and you need to select what? Get started page. Right click on it, properties, and you need to change this one as a portion, sir. Percentage HTTP port percentage, you need to change that one. That's all. Nothing more than that. Okay, that's all. Nothing more than that, guys. Understand? Yes. Okay. Yes. Fine. After that, changing that after replacing that HTTP percentage HTTP port to the 8080, just you need to click on the apply button and OK button. That's all. Okay. After changing that URL from, after changing that URL from this URL to this URL, so you need to double click on that page. It will automatically open. Okay. Just you need to open with what? Application Express. Okay. Yes. Yes. You wanted to log in. Initially you do not have any user account. Okay. So we log in with what? Manager, DBA account. Okay. Here the DBA ourself and user will be an ourself only. Okay then. So we just logged into what? DBA account, sir. We just logged into what? DBA account. Okay. In this, the DBA account, through the DBA account, we can create our own account. Okay. We can create our own account. Why? Because we just need to maintain our workspace activities in this user itself. Okay. That's why I'm going to use I'm going to create a new user called what? Database user. Just create as an user called what? Create user. My database username is what? Something Rajesh. Okay. Database username is Rajesh. Okay. Application Express username will be what? Application Express username will be what? Rajesh. Okay. And the password I'm going to give as an what? Ashok IT. Okay. Ashok IT. That's all. That's all, sir. Okay. So hope you are comfortable with this screen, everyone. Sir, Ashok IT is the password, sir. It's up to your wish. Whatever the password you would like to give, you can give it. Okay. In my case, I given as an the password as an what? Ashok IT. That's all. After providing this one, just you need to click on what? Create workspace. Can I go ahead with that? Any doubts? I need confirmations from you guys because you are not in line with me. Okay, then. Sounds good. Okay. I'm going to click on what? Create workspace, sir. Just create workspace and save it, sir. It is asking us to save the username. Okay. Successfully, the workspace got created to the Rajesh. To begin what? Click here to login. Just click here, sir. Okay, it will automatically populate with the workspace as in what? Rajesh. Username will be the Rajesh and password will be what? Ashok IT. Okay, just click on the login button. Okay, so we just log into what? DBA account or user or newly created user account. Can you guys help me on that? So now we are into what account? DBA account or newly created user account? Newly created user account, sir. Newly created user, sir, not DBA account, sir. Not a DBA account. So observe carefully on the screen. Concentrate here. Okay. So whatever the user we created, whatever the database user we created, right? Just now, that is Rajesh. That Rajesh account, we get logged into the Rajesh account. Okay. In that Rajesh account, I just wanted to interact through the Rajesh account. I wanted to interact with Oracle database. Then which menu I need to navigate here? Which menu I need to navigate here? Sir, DBA account password is nothing but an whatever the password you have given during the installation, that would be the password, sir. Kirti, like whatever the password you have provided during the installation, right? That password you have to be the DBA password. Understand? Okay, then fine, sir. Okay. After that, what you need to do, guys? You need to just switch on to what? SQL workshop, sir. Okay, SQL workshop. Okay, under that SQL workshop, if you wanted to write some sort of SQL statements to test with an Oracle database, what menu, what option I need to go for it here? SQL commands. Okay, then SQL commands. I wanted to see the current date of the SQL system. Select sysdate from dual, sir. From dual. Okay, from dual. So semicolon, semicolon, select it, run it. That's all. It is getting like as in the current date. Okay. Yes. So this is what the space, this is what like as in the space you can write your write your own queries, sir. That results will be displayed on where? Here. Okay, this is the first option, sir. SQL workspace, SQL workshop. Okay, then what is another option? We just need to highlight here object browser, sir. Okay, through the object browser, you can view the any database information, any database objects information from here itself. Okay, yes. So see here, you can create like as so this is what like as in the tables we got which from the Oracle database. Okay, EMP table. Just click on the employee table. These are the columns are there. If you wanted to see the data, you can see the data here. Okay, and you can write the query as well, sir. Okay, see here in this command prompt. Okay, go to the SQL workshop and SQL prompt. So you can write like as in the command, select a star from EMP. Okay, select a star from EMP, sir. Just select it. So see, sir, we got the data of an employee's information or not? Right now, the 10 employees information are there. We have more than 10 employees information. Select it and run it. So you got like 14 rows, 14 rows, 14 employees we got. Okay, so I can write like as in the one more command, select a star from what? Select a star from what? Department, DPT, short form as in what? DPT. Just run it. You got like as in the department's information or not? 4 rows of department information is there and 14 employees are there. Okay, this is how you are going to write a SQL commands in the SQL commands under the SQL workshop, sir. Okay, just go to that one object browser where you can see the information of any database objects. Sir, database objects means what? Tables, views, index, sequences, types, packages, procedures, functions, triggers, materialized views, synonyms. All these are nothing but on the database objects, sir. So through this screen, you can create a table, you can create a view, you can create an index, you can create a sequence, you can create a package as well. Understand, guys? This is what the second approach to interact with the Oracle database. Understand, guys, everyone? No problem, sir. No problem. Don't be confused at the rows and the columns. Okay. As of now, you just need to concentrate on what? Just viewing the data. I will take care of you. I will take care of you through that. How to, what would be the data and representation and all these stuffs. Okay. Yes. Okay, then. Fine, sir. Sir, yesterday, some of them are facing with some issue like TNS unable to reach something we got like as an issue, right? This is what like as an issue, right or not, guys? This is what an issue or not? TNS destination host unreachable. That is what an error you people are might be facing, right or not? Okay. So there are the several reasons to get that kind of an error, sir. Okay. There are the several reasons to get that kind of an error. Okay, let me put that one, sir. Okay, how can you solve these solutions? How can you solve this an error? Yes. Surendra, like if I need to log into the existing user means then then you need to click in the existing, sir. So here, log out, just log in. Okay. If you wanted to view the existing means then just go to the application workspace, administrator login, use the existing one, sir. Use the existing one. Understand? Yes, use the existing one and do that one. Okay, so once you open that one, okay, once you open that one, just go to the application express. Okay, you just need to provide what? Existing username and password, sir. Then you need to log in. Mahesh Ashok IT. Just log it. Okay, yeah, no problem. Yes, this is what the users which we have created, sir. Okay, so yesterday some of them are facing with an issue with what? TNS. So this is what like as in the error. Okay, yes. So this is what an error, sir. Okay, so due to there are the several reasons. There are the several reasons you will be getting this kind of an error. So there are the several reasons you will be getting this kind of an error, sir, in your mission. So number one, okay, number one, verify the services. How can I verify the services, sir? How can I verify the services? Verify the services in our mission related to what? We have related to what? Oracle, sir. Oracle. Okay, Oracle, sir. Okay, just go to the start menu. Okay, just go to the run option here. Okay, go to the services.msc. Okay, so what is the command, sir? So what is the command? Services.msc, sir. Okay, yes. So how can you switch that one? Go to the run option. Go to the run option and type the word called what? Services.msc. Okay, type the word called what? Service. Type the word called what? Services.msc, sir. MSc. Okay, yes. So services window will be open for you guys. 1 minute. Where is that one? Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. See here, guys, services window got opened for you. Okay, in that services, you need to verify. Okay, in that services, guys, you need to verify Oracle related services are enabled or running mode or not. Understand, guys? You need to verify what, sir? Oracle related services is in running mode or not. That is what you need to verify, sir. Oracle service XC and Oracle XC TNS listener is in the running mode or not. If it is in the disabled mode means you need to start that service, the first option. If the both are running and still you are not able to connect to the database means there is maybe another option for you. Understand? First, you need to verify that one, sir. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. So just you need to verify Oracle TNS listener. Okay. Oracle TNS listener is in the running or not. If not, just try to so just find Oracle related services is in running or not. Running or not. That is the first, sir. Okay, what are the services you need to check, sir? Oracle XCTNS listener, and then what is another one, sir? Oracle Service XC as well. Okay, these are the services to be in what? Running state, sir. Running state. Okay, yes, sir. That is the first step, sir. Okay, yes. So anyone, whoever like has in the facing this problem, so could you please first verify the services in your mission, sir? Okay, could you please verify the services first in your mission? Yeah. Okay, so checking for the Oracle service instance got failed. How to solve this problem? Okay, yeah, no problem, sir. This is the new problem, huh? This is the new problem you need to get. Okay, this is the error. This is the another error, sir. This is the another error. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Okay, I will tell you that one, sir. So for this problem, the first solution you need to verify whether these are in the two running states or not. If it is in the two running states and you are not able to connect to the database means, then you need to go for the step two. Step two. Okay. In the step 2, what you guys need to do is, in the Oracle database software installation folder, you need to find one file, sir. Okay, what is that one? tnsnames.ora. This is the file you need to find out, sir. Where you need to find out? Okay, so the second option is what? The second option is what? You just navigate to Oracle installation folder. Okay, navigate to Oracle installation folder and search with the following file, sir. Okay, and search with what? Following file. What is that file? tnsnames.ora. Okay, tnsnames.ora. Okay, yeah, see here, guys. So what I mean to say here is, go to the Oracle installation folder. In my case, the Oracle software is installed in my C drive, sir. Okay, on the C drive, Oracle XE folder, in that folder, I'm going to search like as in what? tnsnames.ora file, sir. Okay, just right click on that file and edit with Notepad++. Okay, and edit with what? Notepad++, sir. Okay, anything, edit plus Notepad++ or edit plus, it's up to your wish. Okay, and you need to change the service names, sir, here. Okay, due to some problem with the service names in your mission, you need to change this service names. Understand, guys? There are the two areas are there in the service names, and try to change that one and restart the mission and try to work out. Try to connect it to the database. That is the second option for you guys. Understand, guys? Okay. So navigate to the Oracle installation folder and search with the file and search with the following file in the search bar. Okay, in search bar. Okay, search with the following file name and edit this file, sir. Okay, and edit this file. Edit this file and change the service name, sir. And change the service name. Something like we have like as an XE2 what? ORCL. Okay, ORCL. Any name, sir. Any 4-digit or 2-digit name. You can give it. Okay, that is the second option for you guys. That is the second option for you. Okay, so these are only the two options, sir. Otherwise, the second option, otherwise, if you are not able to solve this solution at this second step as well, just verify just verify your system is enabled with the firewall or not. Okay, verify your system is enabled with the firewall or not. Okay, if it is enabled, so just disable it. Just disable for a few minutes. Okay, guys. So if you are this is the least solution, sir. Just verify your system is enabled with the firewall or not. If enabled means just for the disable and try with once. Okay, just disable it and try once, sir. Okay, so these are the three options, sir, to solve this error. Okay, to solve this particular error, so what you need to do, sir? Three options for you. Sir, screen not at paused, sir. Hope you are able to see my screen. To fix this an error, the first solution is what? Just you need to verify whether these services are in running mode or not, sir. Okay, so first the services are in the running mode or not. And the second option is what? So if it is in the running mode and still you are not able to connect to the database means, then you need to change the service names of this respective the file. Okay, if you are not able to fix at this moment itself means, then verify whether your system is enabled with the firewall or not. If it is enabled means, just disable it and try it. Okay, yes. Lavanya, like whatever the problem TNS protocol adapter error, how to solve it? So that problem will the same fix, sir. Okay, in your case also, like this got disabled, sir. this is got disabled, you just right click on it and start the service. In that case, TNS adapter protocol issue will be solved. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. This is what another error, sir. Okay. Another error. Yes. So for this, the problem while installing the Oracle service, while installing while during the installation itself, you got this an error, right, guys? Can you guys please confirm? Can you guys please confirm? Yes, during the installation, you will be the getting what? This one. 1 minute, sir. The reason the command will be there. 1 minute. I could not remember exactly. Okay. Deleting the service from registry command. From command. Okay. Yes. Using a SC, sir. SC command. Yeah. Fine, sir. This is what the command, sir. Sir, for this problem, okay. For this problem, sir. Okay. So for this problem, what you need to do here is, okay, for this problem, what you need to do here is just take this name, sir. We have write this one, right? Okay. Yeah, no problem. So whatever the service got failed, Oracle service, XE service, right? This is the one instance got failed, right? So what you need to do here is just take the copy of this one and switch to the command prompt SC delete space service name, sir. Okay. This is what the command name you need to use. Okay. You need to delete the existing Oracle service in your mission and it will recreate like as in the freshly, sir. Okay. After deleting this one, you will be getting this kind of prompt. Understand, sir? After deleting this one, this is what the command, sir, as I shown you, SC delete and followed by service name, sir. Understand? Okay. That is what the command you need to follow, guys. Okay. That is what the command. Okay, let me get into that the screen. Okay, so for this problem, for this the solution, sir. For this the solution. Okay, just switch to the command prompt. Switch to the command prompt. Okay, and so type the below command. Type the below command. Okay, type the below command, sir. Type the below command. What is that command, sir? SC delete. Okay, service name. That's all. Can you try, sir? Can you try quickly? Whoever like facing this problem, whoever like is in the facing this problem, can you try with quickly? Yeah. So this is what the solution for this problem, sir. Okay. This is what like as in the solution for this problem. Later on that you will solve that one, sir. You can install successfully the second after that, after deleting this one. Okay. After deleting this one, you can okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. So these are the two ways we interacted with the Oracle database, guys. Okay. These are the two ways we interacted with another Oracle database. Okay. In the tomorrow, we will see like as another way to interact with the database using GUI interface, that is called Oracle SQL Developer or Toad for SQL, anything. Okay. Yes. So if you have any questions, so please ask, sir. Raise a hand. I will give you an unmute option for you to answer the questions. Yes, sir. Tomorrow we have a class at 9 p.m. Okay. So maybe in the next week I will be there taking as an 1 day off, sir. Okay. So tomorrow will compensate for that. In the next week, I'm not sure on what day I will be there taking off and off at the evening. Okay. So we'll be taking off and off. Okay. Sir, that's what I told you, right? Destination host unreachable solution. This is what the solution for you guys. You need to try this one. Guys, if you are facing still this issue, you can uninstall the